Asparagus can become a boring vegetable when we eat healthy. So let me show you something to spice it up a little bit. See you in the kitchen. Hey, it's Chef Alexia and I'm here to teach you how to cook. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and you will find the recipe below. So let's get cooking with this asparagus. First step, we're gonna find the tender spot of asparagus, which is right here. Now use the first one, and as a rule of thumb, just cut straight down, and that should remove all the tough parts of asparagus. But what I like to do with that is make sure that I keep the bottoms and I use them in a stock. So make sure you don't throw them away. It's fantastic for stock. This recipe is straight out of my new cookbook. You can find it at oneweekchef.com. I have 84 more recipes that are grain-free, gluten-free, low-carb, and sugar-free. So we're gonna lay in the asparagus on a seed tray, or you could put it on a sauté pan. And I'm gonna drizzle it with some olive oil. Season it just a little bit of salt, but very little, because we're gonna make a sauce. And that has a little bit of salt. And some pepper. Nothing new so far, right? But I'm gonna show you a little trick. Let's go put this in the oven. I actually have the broiler on, so it's gonna get very crispy. I love it. While the asparagus is roasting, we're gonna make a sauce, and this is what will make it completely different than any asparagus that you had. So first off, we're gonna chop some cilantro. And just put that on the side. We're gonna have sesame oil, some amino acids, or you could use soy sauce, some spicy pepper, just to bring it a little bit of heat, some lime or lemon juice for acidity. And now let's just mix it. I'm gonna go grab the asparagus. Depending on the size of your asparagus, it might take from 6 to 10 minutes to get it brown. I really love it when the tip becomes brown, just like this right here. It gives it almost like a popcorn flavor. And now we're gonna take our little sauce or dressing and pour it right over. Top it off with a little bit of coconut flakes. And lastly, our cilantro. If you want to see more recipes just like this one, make sure that you hit the notification button, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment below if you're gonna make asparagus. #asparagus. Let me see those comments. See you on the next one.